Welcome to Best Picks Lab. The Best Canvas Christmas Tree Storage Bag is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked accessories for preserving your holiday spirit and ensuring a hassle-free setup next year, protecting your cherished artificial tree from dust, moisture, and damage during the off-season, ultimately saving you time and money by extending its lifespan and keeping it looking pristine for seasons to come. Number 5. ZOBER 600D Oxford Fabric Rolling Christmas Tree Storage Bag. Keep your Christmas tree safe and sound with our durable storage solution. It's designed to protect against damage, dust, and moisture, ensuring it stays in perfect condition year after year. Moving and storing your holiday tree has never been easier. With sturdy handles and smooth rolling wheels, you can effortlessly transport it to its storage location. This bag is designed to fit artificial trees up to 7.5 feet tall. The secure zipper closure ensures everything stays put and protected inside. Crafted from 600D Oxford fabric, it offers excellent waterproof protection. Your tree will be shielded from the elements, keeping it clean and dry. Enjoy peace of mind with a storage bag built for longevity. Its robust construction means it can handle repeated use, season after season. Easily identify your stored holiday decorations with the convenient card slot. Label it for quick and simple retrieval when the festive season arrives again. What we like? This bag offers excellent protection for your 7.5-foot tree. It's waterproof and made of durable Oxford fabric, ensuring your tree stays safe from dust and moisture. If you're looking for a sturdy option with easy maneuverability thanks to its wheels, this is a great choice. What people say. The bag is made of durable material and has reinforced handles, making it easy to carry and store. It has a large capacity, fitting even a 9-foot tree comfortably. The zipper is sturdy and runs smoothly, allowing for easy opening and closing. Number 4. ZOBER 600D Oxford Fabric Large Christmas Tree Storage Bag. Keep your Christmas tree safe and sound. Our storage bag shields it from dust, moisture, and damage, ensuring it looks perfect year after year. Crafted from heavy-duty, waterproof, and tear-resistant 600D Oxford fabric, this bag is designed for long-lasting durability. It's built to protect your tree for many holiday seasons to come. Moving your tree is a breeze with reinforced handles. Easily transport it between storage and your living room without any hassle. No more searching through boxes. This festive bag is easy to spot in storage. Plus, a convenient card slot lets you label it for quick identification. Getting your tree in and out is simple thanks to the wide dual zipper. Just unfold it, place your tree inside, and enjoy hassle-free storage. No assembly required. What we like? This option is designed for larger 9-foot trees and is crafted from heavy-duty, tear-proof, and waterproof 600D Oxford fabric. It boasts reinforced handles for easy transport and a card slot for quick identification. If you need a robust and reliable storage solution for a bigger tree, this is the one to consider. What people say. This bag is made of durable canvas material. It has sturdy handles for easy carrying. The bag is spacious enough to hold a large artificial Christmas tree. Number 3. Holiday Spirit Heavy-Duty Christmas Tree Storage Bag. This spacious bag easily accommodates artificial trees up to 7.5 feet tall. It offers ample room for garlands or lights, keeping all your festive decorations neatly organized in one place. Crafted from thick Oxford canvas, it provides robust protection against moisture, dust, and pests. This makes it ideal for storing your tree in attics, basements, or any storage area. Featuring triple-stitched reinforced straps, it ensures comfortable and easy lifting. Transporting your tree is a breeze, even when it's heavy or bulky, without worrying about tears. With strong dual zippers, this container opens wide for simple packing and unpacking. It's a reliable and convenient alternative to traditional cardboard boxes or flimsy bins. Designed for long-term use, it offers lasting durability and organization year after year. Its compact dimensions make it perfect for seasonal storage without taking up too much space. What we like? This bag provides spacious storage for 7.5-foot trees, with extra room for garlands or lights. Made from thick, heavy-duty Oxford canvas, it offers excellent protection against moisture, dust, and pests. If you prioritize a durable build with comfortable, reinforced carrying straps for easy transport, this is an ideal pick. What people say. This bag is made of durable canvas material, which is great for protecting my Christmas tree from dust and damage during storage. The bag has sturdy handles that make it easy to carry and move the tree, even when it's fully packed. It's spacious enough to fit a large artificial Christmas tree, and the zipper closure keeps everything securely inside. Number 2. Holiday Spirit Heavy Duty 9-Foot Christmas Tree Storage Bag. Keep your holiday decorations organized all year round. This spacious bag is perfect for storing artificial trees up to 9 feet, garlands, and lights. Shield your artificial tree from dust, moisture, and pests. It ensures your tree stays in excellent condition, ready for every holiday season. Crafted from strong, tear-resistant, and waterproof 600D Oxford canvas. It's built for secure, long-term storage in your attic or garage. Moving your stored items is simple thanks to reinforced, triple-stitched handles. They provide strength and comfort, even when the bag is full. Loading and unloading is a breeze with the smooth dual zipper. It opens wide, allowing easy access without risking damage to your decorations. What we like. This storage solution is perfect for accommodating up to a 9-foot tree, along with garlands and lights. Its strong 600D Oxford canvas is tear-resistant and waterproof, ensuring full protection. If you need a heavy-duty bag with reinforced handles for effortless carrying of larger trees, this is a top contender. What people say. The bag is made of durable material that holds up well to repeated use. It has reinforced handles that make it easy to carry and move the tree. The zipper is heavy-duty and glides smoothly, making it easy to open and close. Number 1. Stor Christmas Tree Storage Bag, Green. Keep your artificial Christmas tree protected and organized with this spacious storage bag. It's designed to hold trees up to 9 feet tall, making setup and takedown a breeze. Crafted from heavy-duty, water-resistant canvas, this bag is built to last. The sturdy nylon handles ensure easy transport, even when fully packed. The durable zipper keeps out dirt and pests, safeguarding your tree. Included straps with secure snaps keep all segments safely in place. Beyond Christmas trees, this large bag is perfect for storing other holiday decorations, patio cushions, or even for packing and moving. Made from heavy-duty canvas and nylon, it measures 59 inches long and comes in a vibrant green. It includes 4 7.5-foot straps for secure packing. What we like. This large bag is designed to hold a disassembled artificial tree up to 9 feet tall and comes with 4 securing straps to keep segments in place. Made of durable, water-resistant canvas, it offers great protection and versatility for storing other holiday items too. If you appreciate the added security of straps for disassembled trees and need a multi-purpose storage bag, this is an excellent choice. What people say. This bag is made of durable canvas material, which feels sturdy and well-constructed. The reinforced handles make it easy to carry and maneuver the tree, even when it's fully packed. It has a generous capacity, easily fitting a standard 7.5-foot artificial Christmas tree with room to spare. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.